Yeah, I want to be fit. I want to be fit, like strong.
Start 5K, just slowly walk if you have to, and just do a little bit more.
What about?
We went through Africa, but we stopped we went straight up. We didn't go sideways. Yeah.
Oh. Jesus. Far I can go. I can't go again. I'm tired. As you can see, the mountain is very bad. Yeah, fever.
How about you again?
Yes.
Maybe when I come to Ghana.
Yes. Okay, but I'll be coming to. I'm fine. Okay. Hello. Hello. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yeah. Okay. You were hiking or jogging?
No, I'm busy working here.
You work here?
Yeah, but
Oh, you on leave?
no, I'm too early.
Okay.
They're only gonna open at
8 o'clock. Okay. So this place, what do they do? I'm from Ghana, so I don't really know this place. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
When did you come here?
I came here 3 days ago.
Holiday.
Have you been to Ghana before? What about other African countries?
The only country I went was Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
I went there December.
But you haven't been to any African countries. Then you should come to Ghana. Money will come.
Yeah, Are you on holiday then?
Yeah, I came to do something, to write exams. Yes.
Hope all of the best for you.
Yes, thank you so much. So you are from South Africa? Oh, nice.
So when are you going now?
I'll go next week.
How much is it to come here?
You said how much? It was around. Yeah.
For the two
In and out. The flight.
accommodation.
Yes, just the flight.
Accommodation is separate.
Yeah, where I'm staying is different. Yeah, it's different.
Nice to meet people from other countries.
It's nice meeting you. Please, what's your name?
Abubakar.
Abubakar. Okay. My name is Afiba. Yeah, Afiba.
How about you again?
Yes.
Maybe when I come to Ghana.
Yes. Okay, but I'll be coming to jogging every morning, so I'll see you here. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm going.
Okay.
Yes, I'm walking. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Now look at this. Now look at this. Guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. Cape Town, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. Hello. I'm fine. Okay. Is that your pose? It's actually a little dark. Let me take it this way. It's a little dark, but
Oh, that's perfect.
it's nice.
Thank
Okay.
you. Friday morning.
Really?
At 6 or sometimes at 5, we ran like a little 10k loop. Quite often we get to see the sunrise there.
It wasn't hard.
It is hard, but we get used to it.
Oh, so now it's fun. But so how was your first time?
It was also hard. You just gotta push through.
Oh,
And you don't even look like you've done exercise. So.
because I've been resting
Yeah,
here.
you look beautiful.
Thank
And now
you
you
so
can feel happy
much.
with yourself.
Yeah. I want to be fit. I want to be fit, like
Yeah.
strong.
Start 5k and just slowly walk if you have to, and just do a little bit more every
Okay.
time.
Thank you so much. Please, what's your name?
I'm Jessie.
Oh, I'm Afiba.
I'm Afiba.
Yeah, that's my name, Afiba.
Afiba.
Yes.
Afiba, beautiful, lovely name.
Nice
You must
meeting
enjoy your
you.
time in Cape Town.
Yeah, I'm really doing it.
Okay.
Cape Town is so amazing.
Yeah, no, it
And
is.
there's a lot of interesting places here. Do you have a particular place that you can recommend for me?
Have you guys done the Lion's Head hike?
No.
Head hike.
Town side.
Yeah, you're gonna start in town, Signal Hill, around there.
Okay.
Do the Lion's Head hike. Maybe sunrise or maybe sunset.
Oh, okay.
Very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
Let's
so
enjoy it,
much. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you, Afiba.
Vegas. So guys, this is also another mountain site. This is called Ukrel. So I'm going to go now and show you this place experience too. So let's go. But South Africans are friendly, right? Very friendly. The lady was really friendly. Not all. That's true. Some are racist. Some are also super friendly. Oh. And now the weather is chilled. I don't know if because of the jogging and the hiking, because in the morning it was like 16 degrees. Very chilled. Ah. Hey. So guys, I'm done for the day. I'm actually very tired. You're not seeing it from my face. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm very tired. I think I've done well for myself today. So let's go. That's a beautiful dog. Wow. Ghana.
Ghana.
Have you been to Ghana before? What
I
about?
went through Africa, but we stopped at. We went straight up. We didn't go sideways. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you haven't been to any African country at all?
I lived in Zimbabwe, but we went back all the way to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we tried to get to Egypt. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should come to West Africa sometimes.
Yeah.
Ghana is a beautiful country. Yeah. So you should try and come.
So now you came to live there, or you going to visit?
No, I came to visit. Okay. That's
Oh,
nice.
enjoy it.
Yeah. No. Your babies are lovely. Mm. See you next time.